back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for pot roast beef in the oven. To get started, I already went ahead and prepped all my ingredients and I seasoned my beef. I'll show you guys how I did it in just a minute. I also have some vegetables here that I'll be using, which are red skin potatoes, carrots, onions, bell peppers, and thyme. I have some beef broth, which I made myself with better than bouillon and mushroom seasoning. I combined the two in some water, and this will be used as my beef broth. If you want, you could use the store-bought version. That's completely fine. I also have some red wine and some pasta sauce. For the seasonings, I'll be using garlic and onion powder, black pepper, and seasoned salt. Let's jump right in. So these are the ingredients I used to season the beef. I have 2 pounds of chuck roast beef here, which I went ahead and washed and pat dry. I'll be using some oil as well as some seasoned salt, paprika, steak seasoning, garlic and onion powder, sazon, black pepper, and some beef bouillon. I also have some garlic cloves that I'll be using here. So let's get into the recipe. First things first, you want to combine all of your seasonings to create like a rub so that we can coat that beef really well. Then you want to add your oil to the beef. Make sure that it's nicely coated. That will help the seasonings to adhere to the beef. Then you want to coat that beef really well on all sides with the seasonings. And what I like to do is get a knife and just make some incisions and place my garlic cloves inside of that beef and allow this to sit and marinate for a few hours. Next, you want to drizzle some of that oil on your vegetables, and then we will lightly coat them with some seasonings: garlic, onion powder, black pepper, and seasoned salt. Very simple. To a preheated pot, I did went in with some oil, and now we will sear that beef on both sides. You want to lock those flavors in, so you want to get a good sear on both sides, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So at this point, you want to turn the heat off and then add your pasta sauce, the beef broth, and the red wine. Now, if you don't want to use red wine, you can simply just use all beef broth. You can use 2 cups of beef broth instead of 1. I'm using a nice sweet red wine so that it balances out all the other flavors. It is just a nice addition to the roast. Once everything is nicely combined, we will add a cornstarch slurry here. This will help to thicken our gravy while it cooks in the oven, so we don't have to thicken it afterwards. This is just a 1-pot dish, and you're doing everything now so that when this is done, you can just serve it up. You don't have to do anything else. So once this is nicely combined, we will go in with our chuck roast beef. We'll add that in. Then you want to add the vegetables. Add them in any order that you like. Then we will cover this and place this in a 350-degree oven for about 3 to 4 hours. It all depends on the size of your roast. Once it's done, the beef should be falling apart. Nice, soft, and tender, mouth-watering, and juicy. And this is how your roast should look before it goes into the oven. And after about 4 hours, the roast is finally done. It looks and smells absolutely amazing. As you can see right there, the gravy is nice and thick, and that's exactly what we are looking for. Now we can just get ready to plate this up because it's all completed and we don't have to do anything else. And here you have it, the perfect pot roast beef in the oven. I did serve it up with a slice of cornbread and it was absolutely divine. My entire family enjoyed it. This is perfect for Sunday dinner, and you know I couldn't go without showing you guys how soft and tender the beef was. It was just falling apart. It was juicy and flavorful and everything you would want in a pot roast. Trust me guys, I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!